classes. In this class, we are going to study pair of linear equations in two variables. The lighter you become, the higher you fly. This is the topics which we are going to study today. What is an equation? An equation is an expression having equal to sign. Example, I, interest equal to principal amount into rate into time by 100. Here you can see that this is an equation. Why? Because there is an equal to sign. Take another example. Area of rectangle A equal to A into B. Area of circle A equal to pi r square. Here all the equation, all the expression you can see equal to sign. Since it has equal to sign, it is an equation. Then what is not an equation? Expression without equal to sign, also called inequations, are not an equation. Example, if A, B, C are sides of a triangle, then A plus B must be greater than or equal to C. Then only it can be a triangle. The property is sum of any two sides must be greater than the third side. So this is an inequations because it doesn't have any equal to sign. What is equation? So now what is equation? The second term is equation, algebraic equation. Remember, in which is a constant single variable. That is power must be power 1. Like 3x plus 5y plus 9z minus 16 equal to 0. Here is, you see, it is algebraic. Either it is a plus, minus or into. You cannot have a linear equation like sin x plus 3 cos x. These are trigonometrical equations. If it is a linear equation, it has to be algebraic equation. And this term consists of product of a constant of variable or only constant or only variable. Linear in two variables. Then means the equation will have only two variables like x plus y equal to 7. This is an equation. It is linear and it is in two variables x and y. Solution of a linear equation in two variables. Set of values of variable which satisfy the equation are called solution of the linear equation. In this equation x plus y equal to 7, if we take x equal to 0, y will 7. If x is 1, y is 6. If x is 2, y is 5. Similarly, if x is 4, y is 3. So, number of solution of equation x plus y equal to 7 is infinite. But here our main focus was what is solution. Solution is the value of variables which satisfy the equation. Now, find the solution which will satisfy two equations, x plus y equal to 7 and x minus y equal to 1. Answer is x equal to 4 and y equal to 3. And the solution is unique. You will not find any other pair of x and y which will satisfy both these linear equations. So, by and large, if the number of equations equal to number of variables, then you will get a unique solution of the set of equations. A set of two linear equations in two variables is called a pair of linear equations in two variables, like 3x plus 2y equal to 14, 2x plus 5y equal to 3. Now we will see how to solve these linear equations. So the first method is the graphical method. Solve following pair of linear equations by graphical method, and the equation is x minus y equal to minus 1, 2x plus y equal to 4. To solve the system by graphical method, graph both equations and determine where the line intersects. Any linear equation in x and y represent a straight line. So this red one, this is x minus y equal to minus 1. If you draw the straight line. For the another equation 2x plus y equal to 4, the straight line will be like this. And the both straight line cuts each other at point 1, 2. So 1, 2 is the solution of both these linear equations. And this is a unique solution. The system is consistent since it has solutions. Solve the following pair of linear equation by graphical method. X minus 2y equal to minus 4 and 3x minus 6y equal to 6. If we draw the line, the first line is x minus 2y equal to minus 4. The second line, black line, is corresponding to 3x minus 6y equal to 6. You see that both the lines are parallel and they will not cut each other, or in another word, they will cut each other at infinity. So since these two point doesn't have any common point on the plane, so there is no solution for these two equations. These lines are parallel and have no point of intersection. The system has no solution and it is called inconsistent pair of linear equation. So how to find out if a given system of linear equation intervals is consistent or not consistent or inconsistent? So through graph, if both are parallel, then they are inconsistent. Let us see the another example. X minus 2y equal to minus 4 and 3x minus 6y equal to minus 2. So we see both equations represent the same line. That means there is no two equations. The same equation has been written in two different forms. The first is x minus 2y equal to minus 4. Just multiply it by 3 and you will get 3x minus 6y equal to minus 12. So the graphs of the two equations are the same line and the intersection points are all the points on this line. The system has infinite solution. In another word, since it is a linear equation in two variables, but only one equation is given, so it has infinite number of solutions. System of linear equation in two variables have either no solution, one solutions, or infinitely many solutions, determining graphically. So if the two lines cut at a point, it has unique solutions. That means one solution. if both the lines are same, then there are infinitely many solutions. And if both the lines are parallel to each other, there is no solution. A system of equations with at least one solution is called consistent. A system with no solution is inconsistent. Algebraic conditions for number of solutions. Let us consider the general systems of linear equation in two variables as below. a1x plus b1y equal to c1, a2x plus b2y equal to c2. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, that means the ratio of coefficient of x is not equal to ratio of coefficient of b. Then the system has a unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 but not equal to c1 by c2, in another word, ratio of coefficient of x equal to ratio of coefficient of y, but that is not equal to ratio of constants, then the system has no solutions because it represents parallel lines. But if a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, the system has infinitely many solutions. To solve a system of system of linear equation and two variables by substitution methods. Solve below system of linear equation by substitution method. 2x plus y equal to 8 and 3x minus 3y equal to minus 3. Select any one equation and solve for any one variable in terms of the other. From the second equation, we can write x equal to 3y minus 3. Like x minus 3y equal to minus 3. So if 3 minus 3y will go this side of equal to sign, it becomes positive and x equal to 3y by minus 3. Now put this x equal to 3y minus 3 into another equations. Since we got the value of x from the equation number 2, so we will substitute this value of x in the equation number first, and it becomes 2x. In place of x we will put 3y minus 3 plus y. So this becomes an equation with only one variable y, and then we will solve for y, and that is y equal to 2. Once we get y equal to 2, we should put in equation 1 or equation 2, and we will get the value of x. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is the solution of this equation. And the last step is just check your answer. Put here 2x plus y equal to 8. X is 3. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6 plus y is 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. X minus 3y equal to minus 3. X is 3 minus 3 multiplied by 2 6. So x minus 3 minus 6 equal to minus 3. That means this value satisfies both the equations. So x equal to 3 and y equal to 2 is solution of the given system of linear equations in x and y. To solve a system of linear equation in two variables by elimination methods, there are two equations given. Multiply either or both equations by non-zero constants to obtain coefficient for one of the variables in the system. Here we multiply equation 1 by 2. So we get 10x plus 4y equal to 22. So this 4y, here it is 4y, so if we multiply by 2 so that we get 4y. Now operating equation 1 minus whatever we got here, that is operating 2 into equation 1 minus equation 2. So this 4 will be cancelled out, and 10x minus 3x is 7x equal to 7, so x equal to 1, and then this value of x can be substituted in any of the equations to get the value of y. So value of y is 3. The last step is again check the solution, and in both the equation if we put x equal to 1 and y equal to 3, we get the right answer. So 1 and 3 are solution of given system of linear equation. To solve a system of linear equation in two variables by cross multiplications, let us consider the below systems of linear equation in two variables a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Then write x equal to minus y equal to 1, and then forget this value, and then y b1 c2 minus b2 c1. Then in here minus y by, forget this y, then a1 c2 minus a2 c1 equal to 1, forget this value, then a1 b2 minus a2 c1, and then x equal to this and y equal to this. Let us see, two equations are given, 5x plus 2y minus 11 equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y minus 5 equal to 0. So x by 2 into minus 15, it is minus 30 minus 11 into 4, that is minus 44, that is plus 44 now, minus minus, and minus y equal to 5 into minus 15 minus 3 into minus 11, and then 1 by 5 into 4, that is 20, minus 3 into 2, that is 6. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 3. If you put this value of x and y in these two equations, we will see that this will satisfy the equations. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 is a solution of the given two equations. Thank you very much. For any clarification, you can write us on k2pclasses@gmail.com, or you can call us +91 943 111 7966. Thank you.